What's up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason. We'll be hopping back in with another vid. Getting ready to head down to Cars and Coffee this morning. Gotta fill old girl up and then we'll be on our way. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. I'm doing great. Blessed to see you another day. Gave old girl a bath last night. Got her looking right this morning. And couldn't tell if I did a good job or not. It was dark. Looks like I did alright. I heard the click. Time to hit it. Okay, take a look at this old school truck. The old school Indian on the back, dude. That shit's pretty dope. Man, I'm missing my ride or die Jolie in the back. I let her sleep in this morning. Normally she has no problem waking up and coming with me to the car show. She loves it. And I love that she loves it, and it gets us the chance to spend time together, and I love it. But she's just getting over the flu, and I want her to be well rested because her big sister's birthday party's today, and I don't want her to be tired and not feeling well. So I let her sleep in, and hopefully she's not mad at me for not waking her up to go this morning. But once I tell her that, I think she'll understand. But I appreciate the love that you guys showed my little girl in the last video. That was super kind of you guys. That's my baby. That's one of my 4 babies, but that's the one that seems to love cars the most so far. Her little brothers maybe when they get bigger, but for now, me and Jolie, we gonna roll to everything we can. That's my girl. Just thought I'd throw that in there because I'm missing her right now on our way down to the Cars and Coffee this morning. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are here, and we were like 30 minutes late, and it is packed. They're pulling everybody over here to the spectator lot now. Got a beautiful Porsche R35 GTR and a Lambo just pulled up. We're about to go see what's happening this morning. It looks pretty busy. RX-7, dude. And still got the, rotard. Haha, I like it. Looking like it might be a good morning, guys. The M3 in that gray is beautiful. Target top too on the Porsche. Sure. Good fun. Oh, I hear you. Hell yeah. Save some cans for the rest of us, brother. Mirror, dude. Clean, right-hand drive. Beautiful SSRs, okay. On air, of course, so is this Honda. This Porsche is setting mighty low. I'm telling you, this is what dreams are made of. Hey, dude. The freaking center locks. The 4.0 GT3. Yes, sir. And we got this beautiful white R35. The dry carbon. Okay. That's sick. Thick tire. Okay, man. It's sad to see that Nissan discontinued it, but the rate Nissan's gone, we'll be lucky if they're around next year. So, God bless the R35. Got the money. Oh, that dip over there keeps getting everybody. Got the Beamer pulling in too. Okay, dude, this thing is a beaut. That V12, okay. Got the new Z Nismo. I like that gray. Big old meaty R888s. Okay. Turboed V18. Yeah, because the K series exhaust is in the back. Okay, yeah. Sorry. It's early morning, guys. Real big Terpsky. Okay, Light Forged wheels, it looks like. Yep, some Ray Graham lights. Dude, how about this little dude gets down? We got parked all the way over there in spectator parking. But you know, the grandpas and the Corvettes was up at the crack of fucking dawn this morning. I like the pumpkin C8, the carbon goodies. Hell yeah, carbon roof, the scoop. Okay. The carbon wing. Oof. A little chilly to have that down. Another Corvette, of course. Like I said, the grandpa's was up this morning. What the hell you gonna put on this C8? Damn. Ray with the splitter that's attached right there. Okay. Do what you do, bruh. That's as far as you can freaking imagine, dude. This is crazy. Mad Corvettes. Yeah, another Corvette. Can you imagine? That's funny. The fake engine in the front. These wheels is crazy. Well, no wonder they some old school Mugen wheels. I bet those cost a brick. This interior immaculate too. Gorgeous carbon hood. Looks so good with that red. The super clean CRX, dude. Like not overly done, not ratted out. Thumbs up in my book for sure. And to me, this dude stands out more than that crazy thing right there. And that's just, you know, because I like Hondas and little JDM cars and shit. But that's a straight up like one of them Ultima RS is your race car. I don't even know how he drove it here. One of us got a tag. Let's investigate. Big old giant wing. There's a tag under there. Okay, North Carolina. Okay, got another one, the yellow. I haven't seen that one before. This shit is crazy, guys. LS, of course. There we go. Take a look at the yellow. Okay. This is super dope. The old school Chevy wagon, dude. Okay, I like those wheels too. Okay, you got the yellow Lambo. This thing is sick. Take a quick look at it. The Alcantara is going so hard on the inside. Yeah, they brought the money out. The carbon roof, vents, the V12. This is an Aventador, I think. Yeah, Aventador SV. God, dude, I'm too poor to even know all that info. I appreciate this even more, dude. This old school Porsche Carrera. Man, we're gonna have to get over here. Y'all gotta take a look at this. We're gonna walk around. Like I said, that old school look is just, it's timeless. I don't know if you can see from the glare or not. I don't know. Oh, I see the other window. Dude's got a freaking car phone in there. Back then, that was a signification of money. Hey, a thing. That's cool. You don't see a lot of those.
I'm parked right next to it.
Okay, he's parked next to that. The kid ain't got no license. Shut the fuck up. Your daddy parked over there. Okay, so this is pretty funny. Budget track car. Detailed with Sharpies. Ass ton of signatures. Says it's a budget track car. Got the Corbo bucket. I had one of those in my DSM. Hell yeah. If you ain't personal ass. Let's go. This is pretty cool. Big ass wing. Born to race, forced to work. Feel you. Nugs, not drugs. The goat, Stig, and old Clarkson. Here is sick. Then on some RPO points. Corbo buckets. Split shit and 5-speed. Looks like a K-series. Lots of people talking about it. This is super dope. RX-7 right-hand drive. Super clean, carbon fiber canards. Not sure what the wheels are. Blue bridge seat. Okay. Another steering wheel. Oh, this is sick. I love RX-7s. A little Miata. Pop now. Let's take a look at the 13B. Single turbo stock location, maybe? I know Carson's is huge and up top. This one's a little bit smaller and down low. So it definitely looks like stock location, but it looks single. Hell yeah, dude. I bet she boogies. I'm telling you, you know what's crazy? You ever want to see a Miata look big? Put it next to a cappuccino. Look how big the Miata looks next to the little cappuccino. It's crazy. This car never looks big. It's a little baby car. But this guy, even smaller. Wow. Split 3-spoke wheels. Okay.
You see the kind of names I sent you?
Of course, it's right-hand drive. JDM. Dope, dude. This little guy. I swear, like, if you brought something like this to school when I was in high school, me and your friends would have took it and turned it sideways in his parking spot and parked next to you so you couldn't have left. Okay, you see that? Skyline, right? Movies. Skyline. See the parachute, see the fuel cell, see the nitrous bottle, what? The radio, okay, forged wheels, this thing is sick. That's why it's surrounded by a lot of people. This is some serious work, guys. Girls, whoever's watching, this is wild. We gotta get around here and take a look at this engine. Okay, take a look at the monster right here. RB, massive turbo. Look how fucking huge that is. Billet intake plenum. Oh my god. We'll have to find Moody if we can and find out either what kind of power it's making or what it's trapping, because god dang, I'm sure this thing moves. My brother has embraced the Corvette life. Got the mustache and the mullet. Hell yeah, brother. And the two Hondas we followed in, they were the last two they let in on this side. We were the first ones they sent to the damn spectators parking. Super clean FL5 though. Right-hand drive Integra. I don't know if it's an R or not, but it's right-hand drive. I don't think it's an R though, because you know, why would you debadge that? I like the FL5s. They're definitely more dialed back compared to the FK8, but they're growing on me. 240, S13. Looks like it's got the cool SR20 motor. That's what's up. But check this out. We got the Ferrari wheels. Look at that boy flexing on them. The Ferrari wheels on the Nissan. That's dope. Blue RX-7. No hoods pop, so I can't tell you what's in it. But I do see a massive intercooler, big oil coolers, the damn Fast and Furious style hood. I don't know what you call it, but it's dope. Big ass set of fucking radials out back. Got a trans brake, scramble buttons on the steering wheel, 1320 on the sticker. He about that life, definitely. RX-7, got the parachute. He about that life. Red GR Corolla. Red GR Corolla. It's like twin. Where have you been? Nobody looks exactly like me, except you do. Believe it or not, I haven't even had coffee or any caffeine today. Hey, here's our buddy with the 1,000 horsepower SI. Big giant Borg Warner turbo last time we looked. Yep. So big giant Borg Warner turbo. Took the skid plate off the front. He must just be chilling. Last time he had that 100-pound skid plate on there from coming from the track, but like I said, he got banned and I don't see no cage yet, so no track for him. We got us a Drift 240, big angle kit, GMR wheels, you know, the Blitz reps. I fucks with them though. They're clean, straight gutted. Like I said, drift car, drift missile. GTR with the ETS front mount, BBS wheels, carbon spoiler. That thing's sick. Sounds good too. 350 with the Terpsky and a tire. Shoot. He hooks, he gonna book it. The GD Subi, 3D SM wheels. I like this green. I don't think I've ever seen a Subaru this green. Fender flares on the bug eye. Hey, some modernized headlights. Freaking massive scoop. Just because you can, don't mean you should. We got a Honda Fit, which is a wonderful track car. But I don't know how it does off-roading. I mean, water bottle for comparison. That's like 3/4 of a water bottle. On the MSTs and the Lionhearts, it's like somebody went on eBay, so they gave me the cheapest wheels and tires you can get. Okay, we got a couple Miatas. This NC Miata looks like it's almost trying to replicate the RX-8 from Tokyo Drift, you know, big forehead dude's girl that he stole from DK. My high school heart calls for a stereo system like this. Little Veloster in, cool little livery. That's another ETR. Big carbon wing out back. I think it's the most GTRs I've ever seen in one place. APR, carbon wing. Mustangs leaving, you know. I could bite the dust today. Throw me a light. Hell yeah, my boy got that door open because that shit ain't got no AC. That's a race car. Hey, you gotta stay cool while you can. I think they fired up that Skyline. There's Moody over there. Everybody talking to him. I told y'all this thing had to be a monster. Damn, that's loud. Slicks on all four corners. Look at the freaking Haltech dash. This thing is serious. Okay, dude, this thing is fast. It's got turbos at 8685. My God. This thing's a 9-second GTR. It's wild. Here's that GTR on the BBSs. Yes, thing is beautiful. Whew. I see you, big dog. I see you. Better shot. Yeah, there we go. The BBSs look so good on here. A $100,000 Mustang right here. It's old school Shelby GT500. That guy says they hover around 90 to 100K if all original, and this one is. It's beautiful green. Over here we got a Calvo Viper. I think it's one of them 1,000 horsepower builds right here, man. The carbon fiber everywhere. This one definitely will try to kill you. The white and the red, that's sick. I love the carbon fiber accents out back, dude. The wing, the little, what's that wing? The little carbon spoiler. That's carbon fiber. Look at how big that hood is. That's freaking massive. Gotta have a massive hood to hide big old V10s. Porsche 996 with the piston headlights, buckets, quick release, manual. Okay, it's a track car. This ain't your uncle's or your dentist Porsche. This is the one that gets used and abused. I love white cars, and everybody says a Ferrari should be red. I'm having a hard time seeing it. Some bronze TEs on there, because you know JDM life. Nah, I'm just kidding. But still, I like the white. Porsche GT4 RS, dude. Telling y'all, everybody downplays them for the GT3 RS. I would love one of these. Got the center locks. Blue is beautiful. Hey, the Montana plates. I know what you're doing, buddy. I won't tell though. Ooh, the smarter gray with the blue wheels. Yeah, what kind of spec is that? Oh shit, I like it. Starting to really like these more than the GT3 RSs, man. They're a little more obtainable. They're definitely detuned and played down by Porsche to make the GT3 RS look like it's still the GOAT. And don't get me wrong, it's definitely goated. But this young up and comer right here, Mark IV, setting on CCWs, big stop tech brake kit, big old Tursky, carbon fiber valve cover, target top, the carbon wing blade. It's a beautiful, beautiful rear end. Oh shit, see the license plate? /// mode. That's on 3, baby. Means he ready. Got the car all nice and clean just to get parked and spectator parking this morning. That's some shit. That's what I get for being late. And hopefully this week, getting ready to update my banner. We've rocked that one for a couple years now, so we're gonna try something a little different. Also, if you guys see me at shows, holler at your boy. I got stickers to give y'all. Keep with me now. You know, if you subbed, I'll give you a sticker. If you want to sub, I'll give you a sticker. Just don't sub to get the sticker and then unsub. That's not cool, man. I'm giving you a sticker for free, you know, for your toolbox or wherever you want to put it. It'd be nice, be kind, and rewind. Yeah, you gotta put on a little show for the spectators, because half the time I'm a spectator and I'm like, yeah, give them a little gas. And I didn't bring no traction, you know, it's all-wheel drive. I don't think I broke the speed limit too much. No worse than the Mustang, so I ain't worried about it. Sir, if I have to pass you in the right lane, you are not doing something right. Get your lofting ass out the left lane, my dude. Y'all noticed that? I don't know if you noticed that yet in the video or not. The LED light bulb in that's starting to go bad. Apparently it's a thing. I checked the forums, you know, like way back when we still used those, and I found out it's a common issue for this. It's like a $4 thing if you order offline, but it's $10 shipping, or I pay $18 to get 2 of them from AutoZone. So that's probably what we'll do. If you're having that issue, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we'll figure out how to fix that together. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for us in today's video. Hope you've enjoyed. If you have, smash the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, peace.